Hello, this is K Filters. We are introducing the water filter cartridges, either the process line filter cartridges, the PP sediment filter, either the meltblown spun filter cartridges. It's called a different name on the different countries. The normal cases is called for the PP filter, either spun filter cartridges. The K filter is producing for the high quality, excellent compactability filter cartridges for the chemical and process water applications. We have manufacturing the wide ranges and sizes filter cartridges. It will start with a length like 5 inches to 60-inch length. We are manufacturing the outer diameter, the standard size is 60 millimeter to 63 millimeter. That's also customized. Also, we are making for the 100 millimeter and 110 millimeter outer diameter, which is called the jumbo filter cartridges. Then we are making for the 10-inch normal filter cartridges, which called the normal micron rating, like 5 micron plus minus, then 10 micron, 20 micron filter cartridges. Also, we are making for the seam type cartridges, which called that's also is a normal and absolute range. We have the absolute range, like the two range filters. As a manufacturer, we are producing different parameter sizes and the micron rating, like the 1 to 200 micron. This everything is as per the custom request. Then our most advantage is that we are using for the pure FDA approved raw materials, the polypropylene media, which is producing the world's largest PP producer with FDA certified. Then almost all our cartridges have a high dust holding capacity. Like if they go for the funding, 10 inch, 20 inch, 30, 40. These are the normal cartridges is available with us. And the micron rating, I told you already, 1 micron is called absolute micron, then 3 micron is absolute, 5 micron also we have absolute, then also we are producing for the normal range micron rating, like 5 micron, 10 micron and 1 micron. 1 micron is absolute, that means you can get it there. Absolute 1 micron on the output. So there is not come for the even 2 micron. So 1 micron is you can get it the output purification is the 1 micron itself. Then the normal process line filter is using for the cleanless. So the cleaning and process lines need a absolute micron cartridges, like the 1 micron or 3 or 5, 20, whatever its absolute rate it will come. There is no changes on the micron rating actually. Then our cartridges are yield, because the high yield product. So that's the reason our cartridge is a long life and the large flow, because we are using for the 4 layer construction, which is a ultra modern filtration technology machineries. So that's we just say that always our cartridges have a high dissolving capacity and compatible for almost all the brands and vessels and housings. Also, it's the particular you can choose for the wide range of the removal efficiency, such as 0.1 micron, also 0.33 micron, also you can get it from us. Then the flow rate and removal efficiency also is very high. Then high water flow rate also is there. Then functionally, it can be compatible for the almost all the range of the chemicals. Also, the spun filter cartridges, PP filter cartridges, it's a two range actually the chemicals it will come. So there are a wide range of applications on this kind of the cartridges. So if you have any requests or any technical details, if you need, you can contact us. Because our biocompound structures can we create a absolute micron rating and normal micron rating? So the two different micron rating is it can be produced. Then the normal, the pressure drop also. It's our all normal cartridges. It can be used for the 10,000 gallon, like the 10-inch. 5 micron cartridges. We are often for the 10,000 gallon. After that, of course, you need to change it. Cartridges color will be changed. So don't wait for the cartridges become a black. So doesn't use for the filter surgery. If you are using for the black shade after black shade come for the cartridges, PPC lumen filter, either the spun filter cartridges become a black color, then you are going to change. So it doesn't mean you are using for the filter surgery. So you need to change periodically. The spun fit, this kind of the cartridges is monthly one time you need to replace it. For the seawater filtration or RO pre-filters, these are the things every 15 days you need to replace it. This cartridge like the 14 and 13-inch filter cartridges. Then this 40 or 13 and 40 is a cartridges is you normally using for the oil purification also, flushing application also. So flushing the absolute micron directly you cannot use for the flushing application. You cannot use for the absolute micron. You need to use for the first stage one as a normal micron rating cartridges like our K filters and N series filter cartridges for the flushing application first stage, and second stage you can use for the our clean series absolute rated filter cartridges. So you can get it the pure flushing and cleaning or oil cleaning and all. So if you have any requests or any technical detail or technical supports you need, or customize outer diameter, customize inner diameter, also customize length, if you need, just definitely you can call to us or visit us www.kfilterglobal.com. We just don't worry about it. We are direct. You are not go for the trading or the third party supplies, and also you can reach us for the direct manufacturers. You can get into all the technical parameters and technical detail and technical support. So don't worry or don't waste your time for the searching on the different. We have the end-to-end customized solutions filters available for the process and industrial application. So definitely you can contact us if you have any technical issues. 00974 444 37572. Thank you for watching us once again from the K Filters Manufacturing Factory. Thank you.